This is what he showed 3 years ago.
It's humongous.
And remember,
who wants to drive a truck like that on a daily basis? It's one of those days again. We have nothing but Teslas and Tylers. Look at this Tesla. What's up, Jonathan?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Damn, that's crazy how much material we have to use for the trunk to one-piece it.
Yo, I know, man. Let's go take a look. So typically people would just do a two-piece, right? But there's a seam though, right? And it's okay. It's not the end of the world.
It's the end of the world.
Okay, fine. It's the end of the world. Whatever. So what we decided to do was we wanted to do the whole thing in a one-piece, and it looks cleaner that way too. That way you don't have a line. So it's a lot more work, but it definitely really pays off. Quick little PSA, if you have a Model 3 and you decide to ever get your car wrapped and you want to have a one-piece trunk like this, make sure you tell your installers that, because it does take a lot more time. You gotta make sure your installer can even do that. Some installers aren't experienced enough to be able to do this. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. I am Haywood, aka Renaissance Man, and this is Tyler, just being sad. Anyways, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Yo, let's just get started, shall we?
No, I don't want to get started. I want this to be over.
Put it in.
No, absolutely not.
Alright, let's get started. What is this?
This is the ECU. Box has been taped so many times to and from Velos.
Oh.
This is our, don't pull it out, because the stack might have to get bigger. This is our Toyota ECU box, eh?
Oh, it's a t-shirt.
What? Come on. Reset the car. Step 1. Open the hood, it's already open.
Okay.
Step 2.
I'm not sure about that one though. Have you tried the trunk?
No.
That's a good spot. Oh, but it doesn't close.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, you're having a hard time, aren't you?
You're gonna clip, because that's not acceptable.
What's the truth? Saturday. What's the truth? Yes, I was gonna watch football.
Got it, guys.
Yeah, should have to give us.
Would you just look at that?
What do you think this painting means?
What the world needs this, Ruff?
The first thing that comes to mind when I see this painting is, when you buy a Ferrari, you want to be somebody. But you buy a Lamborghini if you are somebody. Frank Sinatra. By the way guys, if you want this painting is for sale. We've teamed up with Fluidify to display and showcase a really cool painting. So if you guys want one, let us know, hit us up, and we'll be happy to make you one. What the? You mother. Okay. Let me just wipe my one last time. Okay. Didn't do anything to you. Boom. So we are working on the front bumper on the Model 3. We're gonna be done with it today, right, Sean?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I can't wait to see how it looks. I mean, I already kind of know how it's gonna look, but it's gonna be a different story having it off the lift and, you know, having it outside. I think the red's gonna pop like really nicely. It's gonna be like a subtle flex. Some trash work. Why is it so wrinkly? You know, like Sean left early yesterday.
Still here, dude. Still here.
Bro, you're really on this mirror, man. That's crazy. One-piece mirror. Ooh. So guys, check this out. So this mirror here is a one-piece mirror. So what that means is the satin guard film that we place on the mirror goes from here, this end here, wraps all the way around, even to this side here. A lot of times you'll see where the This side panel here is its own individual piece, and there's a seam right here. It's not as clean as a one piece like this. It's a lot harder to do a one piece. It's so smooth, so soft. So Pennywise is gone now because Halloween's over, and now we have Patrick, the poor pilgrim. I mean, like,
Patrick the poor pilgrim.
Like, I don't know what's going on with his hand. It's completely like, wrong, and his legs are. He just like, look at this guy, man. What is he doing? He's got straw or hay coming out of his arms and his sleeves to keep him warm or something. Like, what is this? And what is up with this? Why is one eye covered? I mean, I guess he's kind of fashionable. I mean, does he scream Thanksgiving to you? Yo, okay, so we got the front bumper put on. It's not done yet, as you guys can see, but yo, I can see it. I can see it now. It's gonna look good. That looks good. Are you dying over there, Dustin? The rear bumper is put on too. Nice. Okay, cool. We just gotta finish up the front and the rear, and we're done. I can't wait to pull this car out into the sun and see what it looks like out there. It's gonna be freaking crazy. So you guys already saw the purple 1221 wheel that I showed you guys already. However, we did get a few more in, as you guys can see over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean them. Man, I don't know how to detail. I've never done it before. Wait a minute. You know, I've done enough just the tips of the day. I can do this. Great, now I gotta think back about all the just the tips I've done with Will. What does Will do? Die, dirt, die! Die, dirt, die!
You have to use your pinky and your thumb.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
What are you doing?
We removed the chrome window trims off the Model 3 to get that nice tuck underneath for the satin guard. Normally, because the car is gloss and now we're making it to like a matte satin finish, you may start seeing the outlines everywhere all along the car. So we do our best to try to minimize that as much as possible, and one of the ways we do that is by removing the chrome window trims. That way the film can just tuck right underneath it. We can put it back on and it looks seamless like this. I'll show you. See how it looks very seamless? It goes from satin all the way in. You don't see where it stops or where it ends. It's all in the details. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
You think Tesla's gonna fail?
I think it's gonna be based off the Model 3. Be around 50 grand.
I say it's gonna base off the semi-truck that's not out yet.
That's impossible.
And you, Haywood?
I'm gonna go against the grain and say it's gonna look like the 2012 Roadster. So that's what's gonna happen.
This is when you cut to the part that tells
You just keep like randomly throughout vlogs cutting to clip of Will doing the front flip.
I hope it looks so good. I actually think about selling my Model 3 for it.
Okay, so what do you think looks like this?
I can't imagine
No,
driving that every day.
I don't want that.
Okay, this is what he showed 3 years ago.
It's humongous. Who wants to drive a truck like that on a daily basis?
Bigger than Ted's truck.
Okay, it
Yeah.
is. So, I mean, I hope it's not that big, but I'm just saying I think it'd be based off something off this.
I feel like a bus driver sitting that close to the front of it, just.
He said it was gonna tow 300,000 pounds. You think a Tacoma-sized truck can tow 300?
Let me tell you right now, just because it can, doesn't mean that it is going to have a actual towing capacity of 300,000 pounds.
I think he said it was gonna have a towing capacity of 300,000 pounds. So something.
Chassis strength probably not. The engine strength, yeah.
I'm going to go with that.
Oh, it looks really good. Let me show you. We got done with the front bumper, and look at that. The car is complete. It looks freaking cool. I love the red. And of course the rear bumper is put on. We're now working on doing the Tesla lettering for the badging in the back. I still recommend though either changing out the wheel color or doing a chrome delete. That way the whole look of the car is kind of, you know, unison. I just feel like the wheels are just a little too dark still, but it's all good. What do you guys think? You like the Tesla letters? I think that looks way better than the T logo. It's cleaner. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Yo, we want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need. We'll take care of you because you're part of the EVS crew. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.